Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. October 13, 2022. We have a topic of algebra. So this kind of question, I give a lot of time examples that whenever, for example, 5 by 4 and plus 7 by 8. So 4 and 8, something common, yes, something common, you can take common out. So these kind of question, you have to show work for the LCM and then continue. But if this number, let's say 5, so I can't take common from these numbers. So in this kind of option, what is LCM? 4 5s are 20, and 5 multiplies here and 4 multiplies here. This kind of thing allowed only when there is nothing common. So it means I can this option because there is nothing common. Okay, so I can go for the direct working, and p plus 2 times 2p minus 3, so it multiplies there and it goes other way. Okay, 7 2s are 14p, 7 3s are 21, minus sign will change, minus 4p, minus plus minus 4 2s are 8. And no need to multiply. Some student asked me in these kind of questions, so when to multiply the denominator? If I have, let's say, any number 1 or 2, whatever, then we have to multiply the denominators. You will see in this part. But if we have a nothing here, so don't multiply. This 14 minus 4, you got a 10p, and 21, we got a 29. And that's it. And we got the answer. Okay, come this question. This question is important here, a little bit hard. Not that much hard. Look here. You know the distance given, time given. Naturally, speed is question, and speed is very clear. Average speed formula is so simple. Distance by time. So 1 line answer. So 320 divided by x. That's it. And speed, so you know kilometers per hour. So you have to write units for it. So I'm writing S for speed. Okay. This is train, so I'm writing ST. Speed of train. Okay, so I finished half of this part here. And now I'm going for the other one. This important car takes 2.5 hours longer. This time is X. So car takes 2.5 hours longer. Longer means more. So I think distance is same. Okay. So this option speed. So how to start speed now? It means distance is same and the time is coming according to question. First time was x hours, now x plus 2.5, and you know 2.5, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So time is time is this one. And I don't need time, I need speed. So what is the speed of train or the car? So distance by this. So 320 divided by x plus 5 by 2 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this is over. Now this sentence is very important. Average speed of the train is 80 kilometers per hour more. So can I say that train speed of train is bigger? Yes. And speed of car is smaller, but how much? 80. Okay, so example, this is 180 and this is 100. So difference come 80, that is what? I just assume some values anyway. Now ST is here, this is ST. So right here 320 by x, then minus this one 320 by x plus 5 by 2. Okay, so how to handle this trouble? This is maybe some issue for us because fraction in fraction, and this is my target to prove. So let's see how we can deal with this. Okay, you can make it decimal even, make it easy for you. Okay, so I write 2.1. Even a fraction also correct, no problem. And I said here, because like nothing common, so we can write together like this. So x times 2x plus 2.5, it goes there. Actually, I dislike decimals, but to make it easy for you, I'm doing this one. So 320 into x, I get 320x, and 320 into 2.5, it's giving 800. So 800. And now I said before, because I have some number here, so I will multiply. I get x squared and plus 2.5x, and this cancels, it goes there. So 800 equal to 80 times 2x squared plus 2.5x. What is my target? You can see the beside of x I have 2. So most probably I can do two ways. Either multiply 80 inside or bring it there. I think better to bring it there. If I bring it there, let's see what happens then. This 0 cancel, this come 10. Bring on this side here 0, x squared plus 2.5x minus 10. But you know, I don't need 1 here, I need 2. So multiply by 2. Whole equation. Into 2, I got 0. Into 2, I got 2x squared. Into 2, I get 5. Into 2, I get 20 equal to 0. Proved. Okay. So now I will go for 2 dp, he said, so definitely quadratic formula will go. A is 2b, so formula you know, minus b plus and minus b squared, b is this. For A is 2 and C is minus 20. Okay, by 2a. So let me, because 3 to 4 marks, so best ways you solve, okay, 25, and it is coming root 185, so root 185, but it is show step by step working, okay, so yes, I think this is clear, okay, now I'll solve it and get the answers, okay. So first answer I am getting here, I will split now. You know, it is a method of steps to show. Matter, you know, this is important thing to show to examiner. So here answer I am getting is 2.15, whereas the other answer I am getting negative 4.65. And this will ignore, because speed going away is positive, coming back negatives. This I will ignore because it's just going away. I will not use next one. So he's asking car speed. Car speed is, you can see that this is a car speed. So speed of car, so I can say 320 divided by x is a 2.15 plus 5 by 2. So matter of just typing. 320 divided by 2.15 plus 5 divided by 2, and we got the answer 68.8 kilometers per hour. But he said here nearest kilometers, because he's asking nearest kilometers per hour, so this is not required, and this add, so becomes 69 kilometers per hour, and that's it, and we have finished the question.